Hi, I'm Jen Cody, and I'm here in Santa Rosa, California. So one of the benefits of solar that stood out to me was a reduced electrical bill, which was huge. Electricity is very expensive here in California, and I have a lot of appliances and a sauna and an electric car that was increasing my monthly bill. The second thing as a benefit of solar is that it was environmentally friendly, which was a huge draw for me and something that I really appreciated about this option. And the third, and also most important, is that I would have a automatically powered home during a power outage. And it brings this peace of mind and ease in my day that I can just go about living life and solar's there and I don't have to worry about it.